Hello, boys and girls. I know many of you who were on my other channel before I left it remember that this is where my camera was when I used to work on this stove right here. But I'm going to try to make me some pasta right now. My 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 head hurts, my leg hurts, my everything hurts. But I'm going to try to make my pasta. Ooh. I'm making pork chops. I'm going to make pork chops and I'm going to make some chicken. I took out the pork chops, I took out the chicken. It's like maybe 5 o'clock and my head is hurting me so bad. My head is hurting me because I'm trying to wean off coffee. The amount of coffee creamer I ingest a day is beyond horrible. So I'm drinking moringa and green tea right now. And earlier I had peppermint tea. And the tea gave me so much energy. So much energy. It was nice. I'm making something that you've probably never seen before, but it is what I have a feeling to taste. So I'm going to put some sugar in my coffee while my meat heats up. And yes, Tina, I got my yellow packets. I'm going to put a little garlic in it, but I don't actually want the garlic to be in the pot too much when it's finished. I'm not sure yet because I never made what I'm making before. I think I lied. I think I want it in there. Now I want you to know something. Be mindful of these if you ever put this up here. But I don't lean all over my stove. I'm gonna let it cook down just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna drain my liquid off. I don't know if you know it, but I'm in New York. I'm in New York, so just in case you hear all the sirens. I'm using a cup of water. I'm going to put in a few shakes of onion. I already put in a little bit of garlic. I'm sure it's in there. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning, just a little bit. I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to put in a jar of Alfredo sauce. Now, I'm going to tell you, I don't like this sauce, but I haven't eaten it in a long time, so I did purchase it in hopes that I would like it. I like to try to measure it through my little jar here. I think I need a little bit more. I think I need a little bit more. You don't want too many shells because you don't want to eat out your liquid that's in there. Now I'm gonna put some powdered milk in there to give it some more. But that comes in a minute. probably don't need any. Probably don't need any, but I do have to add more liquid, so I'm gonna put powdered milk in there. And I should have, yep, three tablespoons make a cup, I believe it is. So I'm gonna get my tablespoon. And I can tell you something. My head hurts so bad. My head feels so bad. It feels as if somebody has a hammer right here and just banging it with a hammer. Ugh. You know what's so funny? I'm trying to get away from this daggone noise, but guess what? I'm not going to get away from this noise. If I end up where I'm trying to go, I'm going to be on the same block as the emergency room. Not maybe 6 or 7 blocks down, but maybe 3 corners away from the emergency room. Oh, boy, this siren stuff is getting on my nerves. Now, although I made mine with white sauce, I actually want to cut up some fresh tomatoes and put it in there. But I'm gonna go to ChatGPT where I got this recipe from. I put in my ingredients and my cheese and everything, and this is what it gave me. But I'm gonna see if I can. Will I mess up the flavor by adding in some fresh tomatoes? So give me a minute. I'll be back. Stop crying. Tina, can you see that? Hello?
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 Good evening, Annie here. I'm reaching out today to let you know about some of the most incredible free benefits that we have this year in the Open Enrollment 2025. If you qualify, you can get food cards, flex cards, and even cash back of up to $250. To verify your eligibility, can you please tell me if you have Part A and B of Medicare? I just want to confirm.
You know that recording, they're looking for you to say yes. I hope nobody, I don't want to use the word dumb. I hope in 2025 that we all know enough to know that they're looking for the magic word yes. So, you know what gets me absolutely disgusted is so many people are so ravenous for what they can get for free that they could actually make something like this to take advantage of people who may not be of awareness. But anytime you have a device in your hand, you should be aware of something. Yes, you should be. Yes, you should be. I put some Italian seasoning and a touch of salt. It was a little too fresh. So now I'm gonna taste it. I'm getting sick and tired of these sirens, man. Whew. That daggone Italian seasoning is the freaking bomb. But you know what? Wow, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on out there. I'm gonna just add a little bit more organic herbs. Oh, freak, always dropping stuff. I can tell you, ever since I drank a little bit of tea, I'm getting a little better with my headache. But I'm gonna pause this video. I have this down on low. I'm going to sit on my couch and sip this tea, or sit on my computer chair. But I really need to sit in darkness, so I'll be back. And plus, I'm gonna tell you something. My pajama pants are wet. I washed them. I let them dry a little bit, but I really wanted to put them on, so I put them on wet. So I'm gonna go sit down. I'll be back. It's basically done. I can't put that in my mouth right now. My mouth is swollen, so I'm not gonna put that in my mouth. I did turn it off. I'm gonna put some cheese in it. I'm gonna let it cool for about a minute, but there's no way I can put that hot food in my mouth. I go to the dentist on Friday actually. Ooh, they called me in today. Yes, boys and girls. Mm. 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 Boys and girls. Mm. Wow. That is gonna be good. I don't have to do anything else to it besides let the cheese melt in there and then put it in my mug. Like my mug by any chance? Shay! So that's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. But I have to hang up now. Bye bye.